Kinumpirma ni Senate President Tito Soto ang tangkang kudita sa Senado na napigilan daw ng Senate majority. Ang pinlano raw ipalit sa kanya bilang Senate President si Senadora Loren Legarda. May unang balita si Ian Cruz.
Thank you very much, Madam President. Madam President, nice to see you on the yes, session resumed already, right, Madam President?
Yes, session is resumed.
Hindi si Senate President Tito Soto kundi si Senadora Loren Legarda ang nakaupo sa upuan ng Senate President nang mag-resume ang sesyon matapos ang mahabang suspension.
Madam President, I move that we adjourn session until 3 o'clock in the afternoon, Monday, February 9, 2026. I so move, Madam President.
Any objections? I don't see the minority here, only the majority.
This is also in cooperation with the minority.
With the minority,
They know that
yes.
we're going to adjourn early.
No objections heard. Session is adjourned until Monday,
3 o'clock.
February 9, 2026.
Nangyari yan habang umuugong ang umano'y panibagong kudita sa Senado kung saan si Legarda umano ang papalit kay Soto bilang unang babaeng Senate President sa kasaysayan. Sa larawang ipinost ni Senador Kiko Pangilinan, kitang nakangiti siya kasama sina Soto at Legarda at mga kapwa taga-majority na sina Senador Ping Lacson, Zubiri, JV Ejercito, Win Gatchalian, Risa Ontiveros at Bam Aquino habang nasa Senate Lounge. #Power Sharing ang inilagay na caption sa larawan. Pagkatapos ng sesyon, tinanong ng media sina Legarda, Zubiri at Soto.
Ma'am, Senate President na.
Presiding officer.
Ma'am, nag-tweet si Senator Kiko, #Power Sharing.
I don't know. Maybe you ask Senator Kiko.
Ma'am, pero would you confirm, ma'am, kayo daw ang tinutulak na Senate President?
Thank you.
Bakit, Madam President?
Was there
She's,
an attempt po?
maybe the future president of the Senate. We'll see.
Future.
We discussed and all's well that ends well. Our group is more solid than ever now.
Wala, nakakatuwaan lang namin.
Pero may attempt pa talaga, sir, na magpalit ng leadership?
Well, better ask them. Better ask them. Wala akong alam.
Meron bang sinasabing power sharing doon sa sa post ni Sen Kiko?
Nagbibiro lang yun.
Nang tanungin tungkol sa umunoy kudita, sabi ni Soto,
Sir, can you say na you thwarted the attempt?
Not me, it's the majority.
The majority
They
thwarted.
always decide,
The majority thwarted an attempt on your leadership, sir. Okay, sir.
So there was an attempt and you were able to prevent it?
Well, the majority,
The majority.
not me.
May usapan ng income sharing.
Between who?
Si Loren pala sa akin. Force in the attorney. Ano lang, launch talk. Para daw all's when that ends when. Maganda, walang away, term sharing. Kung sakali.
Will there be term sharing? Power sharing daw pa kayo sa
In the
Senate.
near future.
Nagkaroon ng attempt.
Kayo naman. Kasi namin. We're all one big happy family.
kinumpirma ni Soto na ang plano ay paupuin si Senadora Legarda bilang Senate President bago matapos ang 20th Congress.
How are you feeling, sir?
Same.
No worries.
No. Ako ba, Senator? I can do any work in the Senate. I can be majority leader, minority leader, Senate President, or even a regular senator. I have no problem with that.
Ito ang unang balita. Ian Cruz para sa GMA Integrated News.
Igan, mauna ka sa mga balita, mag-subscribe na sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube para sa iba't ibang ulat sa ating bansa.